Hey guys, I was just gonna do a typical unboxing video for the Apple Leather Wallet, but then after trying this product for a while, I realized that Apple Leather Wallet, unlike the one you can get from people like Mouse, can be used without a case. And I think this wallet works really well without a case, and I was thinking, yeah, let's get naked. Yeah, I know it's risky because that gives you zero drop protection, but you might enjoy living on the edge. Even if it's just a little bit, it just looks really sexy without a case. Anyway, as I have reviewed the leather wallet from Mouse that also has magnets, I thought I'd do a couple of tests to see if it works or not. The short of it is, it doesn't. For people who are rocking other cases that have magnets, like the Mouse Limitless 3.0 that has this auto align feature, I'm afraid this wallet won't work. It was worth a shot, but I thought, like, no, don't bother trying that. But if you fancy going naked for a while, this is a great option. Sure, you will add a lot more risk by not having a protective case on the phone, but at the same time, to counter that, it does add a lot more grip to the back. You know, this leather feel is really nice and it actually gives you some more protection at the back. Now, talking about the wallet itself, how many cards can you fit in it? I'd say 2, maybe 3 at a push, depending on the type of card, but yes, 2 comfortably. If you enjoyed this video, guys, why not check out these other videos that I've got here on Apple stuff? And if you like my stuff and you don't want to miss out on the next videos that I'll be releasing, why not subscribe by clicking on this smiley face right here? And I'll see you in the next one.